Welcome to Starlight, the AI-powered coaching platform designed to support teachers with non-judgmental developmental feedback. This walkthrough will cover how recordings are used, who owns the data, and how we ensure complete transparency. Recordings are used solely for teacher reflection and coaching. The focus is always on professional growth, never on students or performance management. We provide a display notice that schools can print and place in classrooms, so students and visitors understand recordings are for teacher coaching only. All users agree to our data agreement when creating an account. This ensures transparency and safeguards around intellectual property, privacy, and usage. Recordings and transcripts remain securely under the ownership of Star21 Limited. They are never transferred to third parties or used to train external AI models. Teachers retain full control. Uploading a recording gives consent for its use, and teachers can delete any file at any time. All reports are anonymized and aggregated. The Constellation dashboard shows patterns across a school without identifying individuals. This protects teachers while giving leaders meaningful insights. At the point of upload, teachers are reminded never to share sensitive or personal conversations. The Star Drive keeps recordings separate from the platform, so staff choose what to upload. And of course, any file uploaded in error can be deleted at any time. Starlight is designed so it cannot be used for surveillance or performance management. This protects both the product and the trust that makes coaching effective. The platform only works when it is non-judgmental and supportive. When schools inform parents, the message is simple. Starlight is about supporting teachers. No students are identified, and all data is GDPR compliant. A template letter to parents is available for schools to adapt and send out. We work closely with data protection officers to ensure all processes meet GDPR standards. Every aspect of Starlight is under continual review to maintain compliance and safeguard user trust. Once you've logged into your Starlight dashboard, you'll find a documentation link in the left-hand panel beneath the walkthrough video. This takes you to all key resources: the teacher instruction manual, classroom audio recording notice, guidance for schools and unions, our privacy policy and data agreement, and research such as the transcript-based lesson analysis studies and foundation statement. For deeper questions, staff can explore our blog at www.coaching.software or visit our FAQ at starlightmentor.com/FAQ. Both are updated regularly and cover the big questions around trust, transparency, and best practice. Starlight is here to support teachers, not to judge them. By being consistent, transparent, and clear in purpose, we can build a culture of trust and growth together. Thank you for being part of this journey. Spark insight with Starlight and build a coaching program rooted in trust, transparency, and growth today.